Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Inspiring Joy. My name is Jody. So happy spring. We have crossed over the spring threshold and I am inspired to do a craft. So it can be a spring craft or a craft for Easter. And what I did is I found this inspiration on Pinterest, and I'll put a photo of my inspiration up here on the screen. And I'm going to do this a little bit differently from my inspiration though. I am inspired, but I do have a little twist. I am not going to paint my pots. I like the terracotta, more natural color. And I'm using this sort of burlap with a lace trim ribbon. And then instead of grass, I'm going to use this Spanish moss that I picked up at the craft store as well. So all of these supplies you can get at your local craft store. I did get this Happy Easter picture and frame with this bunny at Big Lots. So feel free to get that. You might even find it at the dollar store. So wherever you get your crafts, pick up these items, find things similar or different. I hope this inspires you and you find some joy in doing this craft or something similar. So let's get started. So first of all, with the craft, you need to start out, if you get this exact board or something similar, I popped off this silver bunny. It was right here and I just popped it off. This is what I'm going to use to attach to the stick that's going to go into the pot. So you pop it off, set that aside, and keep the bunny to the side as well. So I'm going to pop off the other two just like I did. Okay, so I finished removing all of the bunnies from the boards. And I have the three here, and I went through and used my hot glue gun here and attached the sticks to the backs of each bunny. So this is the bunny that I removed from the board here. I took all three and then I put hot glue on the back of each, and then I took the apple sticks that I have that I picked up at the grocery store, and I attached the sticks to the back of each bunny. So I have three bunnies, three sticks hot glued to the back of each, and I also have my green foam inside of my terracotta pot, my plastic terracotta pot. So what I'm going to do now is attach my ribbon to the pot, and I think that's good size, good amount. Yes, let's try that. Okay. So I'm going to, you can do it however you would like, but I think what I'm going to do is wrap it all the way, like maybe put some hot glue here and wrap it all the way around just to where it meets, and then I have some other ribbon I'll make a bow with. So let me try that first. Take my hot glue, put a little dab of that onto my pot, secure my ribbon. Just under the lip of the pot, and then go all the way around under the lip of the pot. And then cut it, just overlapping the other piece. And actually, I think I'm going to put some glue kind of halfway around on there so it can adhere. Okay. So I'm attaching the ribbon to the pot. So I'm all the way around. Now I'm going to attach this end piece to this end. So the two pieces of ribbon are connected. So that's that. Now I have other ribbon that I will grab and add a small little bow at that end. But let me go ahead and add the additional ribbon here on the other two piles. So I did have this additional ribbon here, and I'm going to make little tiny bows with it. Just little sweet bows on the front. Let's see if I can, whoops, maybe a little longer on that one. So something like that, or feel free to use if you have other ribbon you'd like to use. I just like to cover up the seam between the ribbons so you don't see that connection there. Looks a little more finished when it's on there. There we go, something like that. Okay, let me do the other two here as well. Okay, I'm almost done here. Okay, so I have all three done. They're little ribbons, so cute. And then we have the little green foam inside. And then I'm going to take some of the Spanish moss, which is really messy, but I love it. I love it for projects, but it's a little messy. And then I'm going to stick this in here like this. And I like it when a few pieces kind of stick out. So I kind of like this because I like the ribbon, the burlap with some of this, almost like a little bunny's nest sticking out. And then I'm going to stick this into this and make sure it goes down into the little cube that's in there. And then we have a little bunny. I think those are super cute. So I'm going to put the other two in here. Okay, there we are. I think they are super cute. Probably add a little bit more moss in this one. Make it a little bit more secure even. Super sweet. So there you are. Super easy, very simple. You can do with your kiddos or grandchildren or friends or family. So I hope you give this a try and enjoy doing so. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me in this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye now.